Welcome to the science behind everyday phenomena. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating reasons behind why do we get those sudden, annoying hiccups, or that strange jolt when we're just about to fall asleep. Blinking is so natural, but could it serve more than one purpose? What really causes that satisfying pop when cracking our knuckles, and is it safe? Why do we get that tiny static shock when touching metal on dry days? And what are those drifting spots we sometimes see in our vision? Let's uncover the science behind these everyday mysteries. Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups are annoying, but why do they happen? The answer is surprisingly complex. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. These contractions cause a sudden intake of air that's quickly stopped by the closing of the vocal cords, resulting in the hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, sudden excitement, or a sudden temperature change. Scientists believe hiccups may have evolutionary ties to our amphibian ancestors, who used similar muscular contractions to help breathe through gills. Why do we sometimes feel a sudden jolt when falling asleep? Ever felt like you're falling and jolted awake just as you're about to drift off to sleep? You're not alone, and the reason is fascinating. This phenomenon is known as a hypnic jerk or sleep start. It happens during the transition from wakefulness to sleep when your muscles relax, but your brain might misinterpret this as you falling or losing balance. The jolt is a reflex meant to catch you. Some researchers believe it's an ancient response from a time when falling out of a tree or losing stability while resting could be dangerous. Why do we blink? We blink about 15 to 20 times per minute, but have you ever stopped to think why? Blinking serves multiple purposes. Primarily, it keeps our eyes moist and clears away debris to protect the cornea. But interestingly, researchers have found that blinking may also give our brain a mini break. During a blink, activity in the areas of the brain involved in attention temporarily decreases, helping reset our focus. Why do our joints make a popping sound? That satisfying pop you hear when cracking your knuckles isn't just gas, it's science. The popping sound in your joints is thought to be caused by the formation or collapse of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid, the lubricant within your joints. When you stretch or move a joint, the change in pressure can cause these bubbles to form and burst, creating the popping noise. Contrary to popular belief, occasional joint popping doesn't cause harm or lead to arthritis. Why does static electricity shock us? That tiny jolt from touching a doorknob on a dry day can be startling, but what's behind it? Static electricity occurs when there's an imbalance of electric charges on the surface of an object. When you rub certain materials together, electrons are transferred, causing one object to become positively charged and the other negatively charged. When you touch a conductive material, like metal, the built-up electrons discharge, resulting in a quick shock. Why do we sometimes see spots or floaters in our vision? Ever notice small, moving spots when looking at a bright sky? They're not just in your imagination. These spots or floaters are caused by tiny clumps of gel or cells inside the vitreous, the clear fluid in your eye. As light passes through the eye, these clumps cast shadows on the retina, appearing as floating shapes in your vision. Floaters are usually harmless, but a sudden increase could indicate an issue that needs medical attention. If you found this video interesting and you like to see more interesting and informative videos, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you can get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.